Hello, good evening. I'm Sonny Tiong, Chief Operating Officer of Krispy Kreme Philippines. Tonight, we are celebrating the opening of our factory store here in Blueridge. No, as mentioned, it is our first factory store here in Quezon City, and it's the ninth factory store across the country. No? So, as mentioned earlier, factory stores are really special for us here in Krispy Kreme because it offers the full experience of Krispy Kreme, particularly uh, giving our customers the experience of tasting our iconic original glaze hot off the line. Also, as you can see in our factories, this is where we produce our donuts. So the best tasting donuts, it's the one that is freshly prepared. So in only 9 locations across the country, we offer this full experience. So we're very happy to celebrate Halloween by ringing it in through opening of our factory store here in Blue Ridge.
Sir, is this the biggest factory?
Uh, huh. Well, it's one of the biggest. It's one of the biggest. It's our first factory store, I believe, that has 2 floors. That has 2 floors. No? So, what it does is it doesn't only offer space for us to produce, but also allows guests to really stay and experience our Krispy Kreme donuts and coffee and other beverages while dining in as well. So I think that's a unique experience that we can offer here for the community here in Blue Ridge, and not only Blue Ridge but whole Quezon City that's passing by Katipunan. So yeah, I think Krispy Kreme is a welcome addition to the food retail brands that are here in along Katipunan, and we believe that we will definitely make the experience here a little bit sweeter as we continue on and sharing joy that is Krispy Kreme.
Can we expect more factory?
Yes, I am not at the moment. I cannot divulge as of the moment, but definitely, increasing our factory stores is something that we will important for us. As mentioned, nothing. The best tasting donut is one that's freshly prepared, and we can do that by having more factory stores across the nation. So that's something that we will continue to explore. We will continue to find out more communities, more regions, more provinces that we can get into, so that we can share the joy that only Krispy Kreme can offer.
Sir, what particular reason is there in putting up this in this location?
Well, we already have a factory store in the center of Metro Manila, which is in Krispy Kreme Fort. We have a factory store in the south, in Evilla, near Alabang. What we lack is a factory store that will cater to the north. So we really wanted to have a location that allows us to
Service the branches
yes,
here.
to give the hot light experience. That's what we call the factory store experience, the hot light experience to those that are in the north as well.
Okay. Is that because I thought it was a myth that when that particular light lights up on a roof, you're gonna give away hot
Oh,
donuts
we
for
do.
people.
We do. When the hot light is on, all customers that have a transaction will get a free original glazed donuts hot off the line. So we really want to share that experience to those that visit our factory stores. For example, now when the hot light is on, that signals that hot, fresh original glazed donuts are coming off the line. So you guys, whenever you see that hot light, you better come into the doors because you'll definitely taste the best tasting donut here in the country.
Right. Sir, can you also tell us about the special offerings that you are actually doing for the Halloween season?
All right. Of course, for Krispy Kreme, one of the things that we want to own are different occasions. Are different occasions, and definitely one of that is Halloween. We've been very active in terms of making sure that we create a unique and sweet Halloween experience for our customers. For this year is no different. We are offering our limited time offer Halloween donuts. I think, if I'm not mistaken, we have 6 varieties that are available only from in the Halloween season, and I think until November 2. So definitely that's something that we want to. That's a special offer that we wanna make sure that we capture the season by having specific Halloween donuts to capture the occasion. In fact, we also partner that not only with donuts but beverages. We also have our, being an American brand, we also offer our pumpkin spice lattes. If you haven't tried it, I think it's a very good beverage to have, especially during Halloween. And yeah, those are things that we will continue to do. Innovations is at the core of our business. We want to make sure that we lead the way, especially in the donuts category when it comes to that aspect of the business. I want to make sure that that continues on, not only this year but in the years to come.
Sir, prior to, because I live nearby the Tomas Moraca branch in your like area, but prior to them getting the donuts with your store, because this wasn't here previously, right? Where were they getting?
We also have commissaries. We also have commissaries. So if we can't serve it through a factory store, we also have strategically located commissaries that prepare donuts for our fresh shops. So we call them our fresh shops in the malls, in standalone stores like Tomas Morato.
So people are still sure that it's still fresh.
Yes. No? So that's one of the commitments, and that's one of the things that we make sure that we deliver on. It's all about, and you see it all over the store. It's a communication of made fresh daily, and I think that's a difference that we will continue to, and that's a strategic decision that we will always do, because the best tasting donuts, as mentioned, is the freshest donut, and we commit to always making sure that our donuts are made fresh daily.
Sir, aside from the glazed donuts, which is like your top seller among the flavors?
There's a lot. There's a lot. Apart from the original glaze, which I think has been unchanged since 1937. The recipe remains to be the same ever since we opened our store. Our founder opened a hole in the wall, literal hole in the wall, in Salem, North Carolina. In 1937 up to now, it's still the same recipe. But we have a lot of other varieties that are favorites, no? among chocolate sprinkles, our Kit Kat donuts, our chocolate hazelnut with almonds, chocolate glazed chocolate cake. All of these donuts have their following of their own. I myself, apart from the original glaze, one of my favorites is the choco hazelnut with almonds. So it's we have, apart from original glaze, we have a lot of varieties to choose from. Both regularly available as well as limited time offers. So there's always a reason to visit Krispy Kreme because every visit, I'm sure you'll find something new. So we invite all of you, everyone to really head on over to a store, because every week we assure you that there's something new to see.
And can you mention again where is this located?
Sorry.
Where is this branch located, sir? Can you mention?
We have a lot of branches across the country in malls.
But this particular one.
This one is in Blueridge. Head on over to Blueridge. It's along Katipunan. You won't miss it. We have a huge Krispy Kreme bow tie signage, and you won't miss our hot light. So definitely come on over to Blueridge, and we'll make sure that we create a happy moment for you here in Krispy Kreme.